Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another topic which is LinkedIn ads. So we'll start with few queries which we got from our users, and that is how we create a LinkedIn ads campaign and conversion tracking. So I will cover all this topic in our video. So today our topic is how we can track conversion in the LinkedIn ads account, and how we can create button tracking, and how we can track landing pages in our LinkedIn ads account to track that whether the visitor which see our ads and land on our page is converted or not. So all the things will be covered in this video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. As you know, today our topic is how to implement as you can say it, conversion tracking in LinkedIn ads account. So for doing that, first of all, we just need to know on which thing we need to implement that conversion tracking. Like, this is our page and my client says me that we need to, like, this page is in front, so don't confuse. So my client told me that when somebody click on the inscription button and then fill that form and then click on the confirm button, we need to track this as a conversion in our LinkedIn ads account. So in today's video, I will let you know how to do it, how we can. So first of all, you just need to open your LinkedIn ads manager account, and you can do it through this link, like LinkedIn/campaign manager accounts, and then your page will be open. And after that, you can see a multiple option here, like plan, advertise, test, measurements, data, recommendation, assets, account setting, and both on the pages. So which option we need to use right now is the option measurement. And in the measurement option, we have an option of creating conversion tracking. And once I click on it, you will see we are on that page where we can create conversion tag for our website. And as you can see, there are a lot of things we can do here. We can create multiple conversion for multiple buttons, for multiple URLs, all the things to track conversion from the website. We can do it here, and then we can use this conversion action in our campaign and use this as a main result, so that when somebody fill that form, it will be showcased in the dashboard, and we will able to know like how much conversion we got from the campaign, is the campaign is going in right direction or not, and we can optimize it further. So let's start. First of all, we just need to click on the create button, and then we need to create on the inside tag conversion button, and here you just need to put the name, as I will put it register. One second. Okay, and after that, you just need to choose an action, like I will use it as a register event. If you want to use it as a lead, like what category you want to choose, you can do it here. Lead, outbound link, install. That's I want to use it as a register event, so I will use it register. Okay, I spelled the wrong, that's why I have to make it correct now. And then you just need to select the conversion window as the conversion, how much days the conversion will be shown case in your dashboard, and it will be always, we will always use it 30 days, and views as 30 days, like make it maximum 90 days, so that our conversion will be there, and if we need to analyze the data after some days, we can do it from there. Okay, after that, you need to choose the attribution model, like last touch each campaign or last touch last campaign. I will recommend to choose last touch last campaign, because I want to know from which campaign we got exactly the result. That's why I will use this option. You can also choose the last touch each campaign, but I will recommend you can choose last touch last campaign, because we need to know which campaign ad the person is land on, and then from where they had convert, and I need that event lastly. Okay, the last click, the last campaign from which we got conversion. I want to give all the, like you can say it, data to that campaign, so that we can optimize the campaign preferably. Okay, after that, you just need to click on the next step button, and then you have multiple options here. Okay, so as first one is website action track conversion that matter to you. It's a new option. You just need to like integrate your domain with LinkedIn. You can do it through by just adding this snippet in the header of the website and in the footer of the website, sorry, and you can in like add that code in the footer. After that you just get that option, and this option will help you to create conversion actions. Okay, as there are two options here, button and pages. As you know, we need to track this button confirmer. So what I will do is I will just put a name confirmer here. So once I write it here, like confirmer, a confirmer button, because we have choose the button option. So each and every button in your website will be showcased here. It will be automatically showcased here because you have already implemented the code in the backend. So now all the button names will be you can say it will be present here, so that you can choose it from them and create a conversion tag. As I need a button confirmer, and now we just need to click on the next button, and after that we have a filter here as well. If you want, like as you know, if your website has multiple forms and the confirmer button is placing multiple times and multiple time in multiple places in multiple forms, so you can, what you can do is you can use the filter. As I want only the people who have landed on this landing page and after that they have filled the form and click on the confirmer button, so I only want the people who have landed on this page. So what I'll do is I will copy this URL and add a filter here, and what I will do is I will use the URL here so that it will have that but like if they have the filter, like once a people will land on this page and then they have click on the confirmer button, track only button, that submit a form. Okay, now people who have landed on installer page and then click on the confirmer button will count as a conversion. Okay, if I don't do that, if I just use the confirmer button and don't use the filter, then what happen is people will click anywhere on the website, like on any form of the website where confirmer button is given, then it will count as a conversion. So make sure you will add the filter if you want. If you want every conversion, like every form as a conversion, then you can use a confirmer button. Okay, so this is how we do it. This is how we use like button for tracking the conversions, like as you can see, confirm a button. So with the help of this you can create a conversion action, and then it will count your conversion. When somebody fills the form and click on the confirm a button, it will count as a conversion. Okay, so let's do the next part. There is also an option for us to create the conversion action like pages. From here, if you have a thank you page on the website, like when somebody fill on the page, okay, fill a particular thank you page, like fill a form and land on a particular thank you page, so what you can do is you can use that page as a conversion action, so that when somebody fill the form successfully and land on that particular page, it will count as a conversion in your LinkedIn ads count. So as you can see, we have already implemented the code, so all the pages are here, all the website pages are here. If you have a thank you page, that will also here, like let me check, as I don't think we have a thank you page. Okay, so we don't have any thank you page here, but yeah, let's suppose this page is as a thank you page. So as you can see, our domain name and our segregation and then the last URL manage. Let's suppose it's a thank you page and in the last we have a thank you message written. Okay, so what I'll do is I just click on this button and then I will click on the next step. If you want to add some filter, I don't think so we need to add some filters here. Okay, so we just need to do is when somebody land on this particular page, it will count as a conversion. Okay, that's what we want right now. So we just need to choose this page. When somebody land on this page, it will count as a conversion. We click on the next button and now they will give us like create that conversion action or not. So this is how we do it. As you can see, I will again let you know what I have told you. Like, we have two options here. One is button, where you can use the button name and create the conversion action, and we have also option of creating the conversion action with the landing page. Like, if you have a thank you page, that will be showcased here, and you just need to click on this thank you page and then go to next step. So I think now you are able to know, like, what is different between button and page. So this is how we create conversion action for both of the same. And for now, let's suppose I will choose the button one for now, because I think that will be more convenient for us, because I don't have thank you page here. So I will use this form of button and click on the next button, and I will not use any filter, because I want, if somebody fill any of the form on the website, it will be count as a conversion. So I will don't use any filter at a particular page. Click on the next button and update it. Okay, like, create it. Okay, and after that you will see the conversion action here. As you can see, now we have the conversion action here, register, which we name it register. So this is here now. So now our conversion action is created. So now in the next video I will let you know how to create a campaign and how we can use this conversion action in the same, so that we can rectify the results and we are able to know, like, how our campaign is performing, are we getting leads or not. So all the things will be measured. And thank you so much for watching my video, and see you at the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi guys, so if you like your video, do like, share, comment, and if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact us with the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video.